Now, all you need to do is you can actually just see, this is all you need to basically know, is you can see the numbers right here actually have a number underneath them. As you can see, this one starts at 15 seconds all the way up to 2 minutes. 2 minutes is the longest you can actually use the microwave just for safety concerns. And all you do to open it is you pull the handle, no button needed, and you put your food in. And once you do that, you simply close it. And as you can see, when we start it, it'll show the timer. That's 1 minute. 4 is 1 minute. So you might have to run this multiple times depending on how long you need to microwave something, or you can actually change the power level up here if you want it to be increased like so. And if you just want to stop it, you simply click on stop, restart, and you can simply click on the number again and start again, and then you should be good to go. That's all you need to do to